Hello, are you ready for today's science lesson? It's kind of a short one, but it's super exciting. But we're going to start with a little bit of review to kind of get your head in the game. What do plants need for photosynthesis? Remember, they need water and they need carbon dioxide and sunlight, and that they need to start the process of photosynthesis. But where do they get the water and the carbon dioxide from? Well, primarily, they're going to get the water from their roots. Okay? But where do they get the carbon dioxide from? And that's kind of what we're going to focus on today. They're going to get the carbon dioxide from the air. Interesting. So, how does the carbon dioxide get in? And then when the plant makes oxygen through the process of photosynthesis, how does it get out? It's not like plants are inflating like balloons and inflating and deflating. So how do they get that stuff in and out into the plant from the air, out of the plant back to the air? How does it happen? Well, stomata. One is a stoma, but stomata. What are stomata? Whoa, they look pretty amazing. They're small pores or openings, holes in leaves. And there's more on the underside of leaves than on the top of leaves. And those stoma or stomata allow the gases to move in and out. But they're kind of even cooler than that, right? They have these guard cells on either side of that stomata. So here, if this is my stoma, my stomata, okay, guard cell this side, guard cell this side. Together, they control whether that opening is open or closed. Okay, so guard cells on either side of the stomata control whether the opening is open or closed. So how do they do that? And why would they want to open or close? Like why? Why do we even need those? Well, why would they want to be open? The water can get out and oxygen, so the plant is well watered, has plenty of water. Here's the thing. Although the stoma is open, also so oxygen can get out, since the hole is open, water can also get out. If the plant is well watered, that's no big deal. So we have these guard cells and they're swollen with water. So when they're swollen, they kind of bulge out like this and make a nice opening. So why would they want to be closed? Well, they'd want to keep the water in. Maybe it hasn't rained, or if it's your plant, maybe you haven't watered it. So what happens is as there's less water, those guard cells, water leaves their vacuoles and they start to close up the stomata. And that indicates there's not enough water and the plant needs to conserve water. Okay, so you can see right here with these arrows, as water leaves those guard cells, they shrink up and close the stomata. And then when there's plenty of water, those vacuoles inside the guard cells fill up with water and open the stomata. So this is one way that plants maintain homeostasis. Remember, homeostasis is a word that means internal balance.